Hey friends, good morning. So today I wanted to do a 1 hour power hour clean with me video. So today I really want to clean up all of downstairs if I possibly can. Do dishes, unload it, fill it up, do some laundry, wipe down everything, pick up toys, pretty much try and get as much done as possible in an hour. So you guys ready? Let's set it up. Okay Google, timer on for 1 hour.
Alright, 1 hour, starting now.
Alright you guys, let's do this.
Ooh, you guys, I was so nervous doing this video. I did not know what I was gonna get done in an hour, but the first thing I always do is laundry. And then the next step is always putting away clean dishes. And those dishes were done last night. I just wait to do them in the morning, you know, because I wasn't gonna like stay awake waiting for the dishes to get done and then put them away. And then once I put away the clean dishes, I put more dishes in there, the dirty dishes. And then I'm putting a little bit of that 7th generation rinse aid in there. I have a pot in there ready to go. Dirty dishes are ready to go in the dishwasher, but usually it's not filled up simply because we didn't have enough dishes from breakfast. So I'll just close it. And then I'm using this lime and salt spray. Ooh, it smells so good, you guys. You guys gotta try it. And then I'm using that spray actually for everything today. Because you know, we only got an hour, so I gotta use my time wisely. And the microwave was pretty clean, but I just wiped that down. And then here I am just scrubbing the sink. I love to see a shiny sink, and a little bit of, you know, soap and water will do the trick. And here I'm just wiping everything down, as you can see, wiping underneath that fake plant. I bought that at Home Goods, you guys. And then I'm removing the crumbs from the toaster oven and wiping the counters down. And then I went ahead and sprayed down the island as well as the rest of the kitchen counters. I put that large pan away, and now it's time to clean the stove. It's been a while. So I use the lime and salt spray again. It's actually good for degreasing, and I use different microfiber towels. I have like a stack of it when I clean, and I'm ready to go when I clean. So throughout this whole cleaning session, I use different microfiber towels. A lot of you guys have mentioned like, "Ooh girl, you're using the same towel that is nasty." No, trust me friends, I know about that. I'm not about that nasty life, okay? So here I'm just cleaning the bottom of the stove. I love this stove, you guys. I don't even know what brand it is. When we bought the house, you know, like I was impressed by this stove. I was like, yes, it's big, and I love baking. And yeah, so it took me a while to wipe that down because it was just looking kind of streaky. So it took me a little bit, and then I'm here cleaning the fridge too because it's always streaky. The boys love to touch the fridge, of course. And I gotta move the table and the chairs to wipe down this table. Again, that salt spray, if you haven't tried it yet, it smells so good. It's by Method. And I'm using this little hand vacuum to suck up the crumbs from breakfast time, especially Jacob's area, and then the toys, you know, parent life. Got the toys all over the floor, so I hide it in this ottoman that we bought from this store called Bassett. A lot of you guys have still been asking us about it. Bassett is a furniture store. I think you could probably just ask them for a storage ottoman if you're looking for one. It's microfiber, but it does get a lot of cat hair. And I'm removing that blanket that the cats love to sleep on because I need to wash it. I wash it once a week for them. And then I'm just vacuuming the couch because cat hair everywhere. And then this is a spray. It's called Zero Odor. It's great for if you have pets or if your house just smells a little funky. Like I was cooking fish the other day, so it's smelling a little funky. I'm dusting the piano. This is a family heirloom from Justin's grandmother, and here the other side of the room is the toy section, so I'm cleaning up the toy section. And then some of the stuff, it needs to go to the playhouse outside, so I'm just wiping everything down, and then it's time to put all the toys in the playhouse. And if I had more time, I'd probably, you know, empty out the Liam and Jacob bin so that it could actually close, but I don't know how much more time I have left, so I was just trying to be quick. And here is a little playhouse outside. I try to clean it as much as I can, but to be honest, it's just a hot mess all the time. But here I am attempting to clean it just a little bit, you know what I mean? Only because I need to make space for more toys to go in there, like the ones that I cleared out from the living room. And then those are dishes from the cat food I went and put away. And here I am cleaning the downstairs bathroom. We have 3 bathrooms, so I only managed to clean downstairs this time around. Scrubbing that toilet really good, and plus the downstairs one is the one we use the most, so that's what matters the most. And here I am squirt mopping. This is, I believe, by Method. It's like a spearmint sage scent. Ooh, it smells really good. It was actually my first time using it, and I love the smell. I really enjoy it. And a lot of you guys ask about our flooring. They are porcelain tile, which is really nice that it's not wood because it doesn't soak up wetness. And we have 3 cats, and sometimes our cat Mr. Bob pees on the floor or used to pee on our rug, so it's a good alternative to wood flooring. Porcelain is also really sturdy, so when kids like drop a toy, it won't like dent it. But the thing is, it keeps the floors really cold. So in the summer that's nice, but in the winter you gotta wear some fluffy slippers or your feet are gonna freeze. And that mop, a lot of you guys asked me about it, like how I can remove it and put it in the washing machine. I found that on Amazon, and I'll link it below if you guys are interested. I just searched washable mop. So here I am mopping everywhere, including the downstairs bathroom and then in the laundry section area too. And see, I can just remove that, and here I am vacuuming with my Dyson cordless vacuum. I love that one. It's I think the V8, the animal cordless vacuum is really great. I don't know why they call it animal, but maybe it's because it's great for animal hair. And I love that ottoman, it just rolls. And then I decided to vacuum the stairs as well. So I'm just going up and down the stairs to vacuum that. And this is the other side that I didn't wipe down, so here I am just wiping it down with a towel and that lime salt spray and removing the shoes, putting those shoes away. We have a little closet where we put it away. And then I am just wiping this little mirrored table. I actually want to get like a nice like white little side table, but for now that's what we have. But I kind of just want to switch out the design. That's something that I used to like before, but I'm not really into that mirrored furniture look anymore. Oh, and we got a new cat tree or cat scratcher for the cats. I love it. And I swear this trash of ours, it is famous. So many of you guys been asking about this little trash. It has a recycling bin and then the regular trash area. I'll link it below. And then of course, every time I clean, I always replace any of the towels that I had with new towels.
Okay, Google, how much longer for my timer?
You've got 37 seconds to go.
All right, you guys, 37 seconds. I'm pretty much done. I did a lot more than I thought, like, whoo! And I'm sweating so bad. I need to take a water break, and then I checked the timer, and it looks like I'm all done, you guys. So, I still have to clean upstairs, but this is what I got done in an hour. And I feel good about it. Like, the entire downstairs is looking pretty awesome. Oh, okay, Google, timer off. I didn't get to, you know, shine the windows and all that, but I can still do that, like, off camera.
All right, friends, let's go over everything that we finished up. Like, we did it together. You guys were there with me, so I appreciate it. So, you know, it's looking nice and clean over here. Oh, and I bought that new plant. It's a fake one because my cats like to eat real ones and then vomit. So I only have fake plants inside the house. So that I bought at Home Goods. We got a new picnic table outside, and then I haven't cleaned the outside kitchen in forever. Nice and mopped. Everything's looking so fresh and so clean. Oh, hello there, Sunrise. Sunrise is scared of the vacuum. He came out again.
I'm so happy. Hey, Showwise. Oopsie, sorry you guys, I just kicked the camera. And then the piano is nice and shiny. I didn't get to wipe down the TV, but it's not looking dusty, so that's okay. This is my air purifier. I've had it forever. I love it. I bought it on Amazon, and it's great if you have like pets. We got a lot of cat hair all up in here. One thing I didn't get to do is put the diaper backpack upstairs, but I'll do that later when I go upstairs. This is nice and shined. The toy area, I would like for it to close, but I was rushing when I was cleaning, so it's not closed. The tripod's getting stuck. This is nice and clean too. What else? The bathroom is clean. I got to do a load of laundry. Well, one of the bathroom, the downstairs shower and toilet is clean, but I still have to clean 2 upstairs. And then laundry. See, you guys, that dirty laundry of like towels I use, I put it in here. And then what I do after, sorry you guys, it's a tripod. Let me just get the tripod standing and then I'll chat with you. So what I do after is I wash the laundry and I like to sanitize it with Lysol laundry sanitizer. I buy this like at Target. You can get it on Amazon, not available on the Grove Collaborative site though. But thank you guys for watching my Power Hour Clean with me. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, and by the way, I have a playlist of all my Clean With Me videos in the information box. And the cleaning products that I use, the majority I buy from Grove Collaborative. And this video is not sponsored by them. I work with them once in a video, but if you guys are interested, if you use my invite link, which gets me credit to shop the site, if you guys use my invite link, you get like $25 worth of Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. And oh, I love Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. If you guys want to try anything from Mrs. Meyer's, I definitely recommend geranium scented and honeysuckle scented. Those are like my 2 favorites. Anyways, friends, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!